Hello internet and filmmakers of the world. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful and cinematic shaft of light for your next video. I'm going to show you guys how to take this average normal looking living room and recreate a scene from The Handmaid's Tale on Hulu that is just so filmic and cinematic looking with that awesome shaft of light coming in through the window behind her. Lighting is one of the most important things in any video, and it's a huge part of what makes something look truly cinematic. There are so many lighting techniques out there, so knowing how to make a nice shaft of light is definitely one of the ones you want to know how to do. You can see these shafts of light, sometimes called volumetric lighting when you're talking about 3D, in thousands of TV shows and movies. So naturally, if you want to be as good as those guys, you've got to know how to do it. So let's jump in right now. So I'm setting up my Source 4 here on a C stand, and I'm using this light because you want a very hard light source to get that nice shaft of light. If it's diffused at all, it just really doesn't work. I have the light covering the entire window and shooting straight in, but the light was still being diffused too much, so I went ahead and removed the screen so that it didn't diffuse and didn't block out any of the light. So as you could probably tell, I still have not accomplished the effect yet that I'm going for from The Handmaid's Tale. And there's a few things going wrong here. The first one that I didn't really expect, because I wasn't sure where the angle of the camera was going to be in the light, but getting all of this dark black space from the night sky in the window, which obviously kills the effect because it's supposed to look like it's daylight. Now I do have one Source 4 coming in from behind me, and that's going to create that really awesome shaft of light that we're going for, but that's just doing that and it's not filling this other area. So I'm going to actually set up an entire another Source 4 with a large bit of diffusion that I can shoot through to kind of blow out that whole area and actually make it completely white so it looks like daylight. So this is what the new lighting setup looks like with my 1x1 LED, and I've got that 5-in-1 really large reflector that I'm shooting the light into so that it will actually blow out when it goes through the window. This whole area looks like daylight now. You're not getting that black, dark sky anymore. It actually looks super bright and exposed like it should be during the day. So there's at least one final element that's still missing, and that's the beautiful shaft of light. And you're not going to actually see that hard shaft of light without any atmosphere in the air, because there's no particles or anything to actually reflect the light in this room. So we need to get some fog up in here. Look at that. Boom! Success! Got the shaft of light, baby. Exactly like I was looking for. So now all we need is our beautiful model to stand in and be the handmaiden. It's not a perfect match. We have different sets, but I'd say we pretty much nailed the same lighting effect. Adding this kind of lighting to your next shoot can just level up your production value so much, and honestly it just looks so epic. I love this kind of stuff. Guys, if you want to learn how to light and shoot better videos, hit subscribe right now. I have so many more videos coming out on shooting, editing, everything like that. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.